You do for yourself. What was that? Yeah, take this cup and listen and give it to me. You are big enough.
Yeah, children. Meet yourself. Meet yourself. My sister. My sister, meet yourself. Let me for listen to this record. No worry, I don't meet yourself. Listen to this record. Listen.
Beba o era be jouer no wu no madomie o wu o ikowe ra be jouer no madomie go wu e ake mo yoto era wu mare iyu wu mare o hin ikowe ba so hin ikowe ba fan vive nu ya so wu ohun hin atogbo ba so hin atogbo ba fan de na pa Unya to boy, so here to boy. So, over tell only not a boy a day, or a boy a day, who do I go here where we more a day with. We run out who roll Barabari, a university or on where school near you. Where school near you? Set it back a boy for Nama where a university near you, West City. West City back a boy for. Well, an energy school, where I school near the log. So that's why we say Canadian where one may be at the web, what we want to baby on our baby. We are so we have we are down here, down. When we are table, me was trouble, and me was one. It have way I could get bill or so and get a bill, however. Allah another already. So kokoso awa pe you wa bon one inu po na 35 years old you no care we bona italo na la we gbe o meme awa pe you wa bon one we won all ya duro we bu oni ke me wan se we ona block we like if you made up no that kind na about that a phone number me that me o that set call me in a block ya fe done your mom what 10 women anyanyo di wo da pagbo alawe gbe wa son alawe gbe wa fun venu mana set do respect that we no kan gbe awe ere o mo ave we eri omo awe asan eri omo awe ma fa ebe no ape so bo pere ro se do we ebe no we ra bi yu eri omo awe be no tie bo me na eri owe ave tie bo no eri o pe a tie bo no asan eri o ko a tie bo no afa
Okay, still listen to this one again. Listen to this one.
Era want water do me where kaka where 1,000 pounds in na where asun kiran edo ga agbe na where abechi igbina do wa ya le kiran na kin se diniya momo ebo we ogi fava me nu ya la webo me no even aware we sister lao be the family man regional oja bugbe do ari we bonu do tuja ni ma we mi agege uri we mi me agege e peter ke ari we bu me ma o ke mu ari we bu me ma umu peter ari we bu na peter na we hori myself with the whole family there we bu ya wo kan ya let's us yan you feel and I will me 1,000 after about 20 years. Maybe 1,000 or 25 years. I think Baba here won out to win me 1,000. Ya ni the second month. Orewebo 2 years on am.
Hello, mute side way. You see what this man is senior brother got guana. Away or abandoning or here, we beg or here, big one. So many things.
The priest, you know what he did, eh?
In this condition, you know what that woman go do? He himself, he involve himself. Number one, I know they lie. This he involve himself. Number one, he involve himself. You understand? So what he need to do, what he himself need to do. If you look what this man, the one where this man take talk, the lady be like say he sought the man. You dey hear me? You dey hear me?
Yeah.
It be like say the lady he sought the man. You understand? This one a family issue. Wetin the lady need to do, for my own individual get the way when they think. For my own, if you want resolve this matter, na very simple issue. Now this matter be this matter na very simple issue. First of all, you see that cause where that man cause her, the woman go wake up for midnight, get up for midnight. He go pull alligator pepper around 12 o'clock. Put her for mouth. He go use her pray. 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 Then return her back to her. That cause go follow that man. Even get some kind of prayer when the woman go do, now that man by himself go confess. Call this lady, he go apologize.
How many alligator pepper?
Don't please, this one I lie with this, so I not be native doctor.
No, I better not say you see they give advice now. Maybe you want more talker. May I call you more talker?
Yes, don't pre. This one na lie. Nah,
Okay, I don't get your number. You put you feel boss me.
I'll DM you, no worry.
It's a bit DM.
What? Don't please.
You take talking so done. I tell you, my man, I DM me at
que la media. Like a media. Mother say ya DM.
Why you finish your career?
So nothing God not fit do for person. I'm not fit don't know how it be. Understand. So one thing, the woman need to
for those of us who want to contribute, more than send request. We need more contribution. You understand me? If you don't say you did, mama. If you don't say you did here, you want to contribute on this issue, send request and come and help someone is distressed. A lady is in distress in her family and. You understand me? So our family they disturb her. So now if you know say you get any contribution, send request. Most you see this woman now, constantly use you to enlighten so many people. I believe say so many people will still get sense for this woman. We be say the sense stroke go give, but in fact the stroke back today. She's sad.
People confess for my matter. People confess. Where they carry me go, they confess by their man. Not be saying that by story, they confess. If I begin to mention this one on media, people go say yes, they confess, they come meet me because they apologize. You understand? They come, they apologize. Say, see, they carry my picture, go somewhere. Now they come, they talk, and they do, they confess. They even fight for church because of my matter. You understand? So, if God dey your side, without you no wrong the person. If you fight any battle, God will give you victory. You understand? So wetin I will talk. As I say, now the man help am to Europe according to conversation in with the senior brother. Then he go apologize for his senior brother.
No, his senior brother not help him. He not be senior brother help him. This woman struggle with her brother.
But the conversation, he said
the senior brother only tell her say where do I webo. Amadi you go there, Amadi anything. Maybe na Mati you tell her say where do I webo. Where do Kuja negbe.
Yejo ni ekyo ya negbe iyewa.
Owe na oje webo do Kuja negbe.
Yejo no we do kyo ya negbe. No we no je. So when I strong the prayer, when I lay room, that is my advice. When I since don't want you because or tell any word than you know, maybe the lady no want you tamiya. When I stop or live a life of a sin. Et mi normal please us aloboa. When no very imagine.
Okay, over one you, man misbehave. Man, the man will say, "Boy, bless her."
Maybe on one
When
your
they
me
drink, when not they drink excess, you drink small.
no pri da me o ti e ke do ti o danyo veni ma uwe guana me ga ma no wanyo dogo logo na we no stop anyo no lerun we no stop anyo no lerun umada san any life a life in no live ne please us alobo maybe iyo no o ma ti a o iyo that is why you no depressed or ami ma very oni even my okay see me take some for the back on now we agbegbe mewa oh no because some situation
Guys, power tap now. Continue to power tap for me, please. Power tap, please. Power tap your screen, please.
Me no guana do pre me take some for now we agbegbe mewa police no dey women were there more than 200 imi na so mother so some situation wa gaje oye ne ma abandon iwe emi ni o here ke gbe yo so when the woman yen go lowo o my easy but we no try no grow efete or I ti grow efete o sa lo ba o mi bon ya kega me be ne do ya bitani so if ija yo mama my gbera efete o yan seti ri yin position no general e pastor paro no lerun no bo paro no win and we no wa believe auto boy lerun ona eti a lerun ona eti apagbe wa sansun lerun especially 12 to 3 ona eti a lerun.
So I will try to follow him so that I will bring the woman in. The woman will come and talk the story so that people will know from our own mouth.
That will be the best.
Master, so today I just say I come out today. Make I come share the story for the whole world to see what is going on. So maybe this evening or tomorrow, I will bring the woman out to come and explain to the whole world. So if you never follow this page so that may you know wetin they play.
I don't follow you.
Okay. So that may you know wetin they play because this woman will come and speak and tell us our story so that the whole world will not hear our story.
Veni me ve tori me na mother son. So they rio when they be tori have aron no na ria be that you so we apologize me mother son. So we apologize mother son. So I gbo bu kan dini digwe eti no di ono e do we no cowards or even no din no they will say lu o ma they will gida no devo gida o ma devo gbe so eri ma gbonaje o ma da san mo we no nya we kan so wo bona mu so yen to boy yen le always sashi be
say request now sagi you know say request say my bring you o sagi say request my bring you up so thank you why ya ne kakabo we say my people we appreciate this woman for saying her whole part of her story and telling the world what she passed through in the heart of enemies and friends. You say one day France here, where they call Mama Twins, and that one laugh and well, and our best friend, and laugh and well, say stroke by her. But today,
like get princess number, princess by birth number, call her, tell her say beauty for Barcelona, and see her story. Ask her. This one not be saying a waiting person the eye.
So now the young I talk. So Beauty, her name is Beauty. Thank you, peace, love. Thank you for sending us gift. I bet mona follow. Emani said we give to Mata King. Emani both said we gift.
My brother and sister, now thank you. God bless you. God bless. God bless.
All of our way said that gift is thank you now.
So your pockets never run dry.
Peace, love. Mona follow and she also send us gift now. Mona follow. Anybody will send us gift. I bet. Mona follow them. I bet. Very important.
Thank you, every one of you. Thank you. So don't please when you bring the woman. So we go still advise her, tell her what you go still do. Tell her make I go no worry, I'll give you my number. So make it call me. I will tell her not be say go positive.
Send me a message or I will reply you.
Okay now. I will say you I want to tell to my children, they don't come for school. Me, I give them food.
Okay, thank you.
Bring me down. Okay, thank you. Bye.
So, my people, that is Sister Beauty, who just tell us her story. All of us see her story. She was a lady who got a stroke. She got stroke for 4 years, and people think say she will die, but God can't do her. She survived the stroke, and as she takes survivor, now she try to express to the world. So she said she will reimburse me so that he will tell me more. So the woman, I'll still talk to her. I believe the woman, she's watching us now. So as we are saying, my people, this matter will see so. This is not family issue. This woman, when they see where I carry come and so, now be the man where they treated this woman so, now be her husband. This woman so, now her husband, now be the senior son of the woman where carry this matter can give us so. Now this woman husband. So we defend the man picture, we not say now we see wife. Oh, now I say come on, bring your wife come out. Maybe if the family see her, they will contact. If they contact us, so from there we now know I will take put justice for this matter. Now they hear me so that's so it be. So the woman cry come out now say her family they disturb her. Mostly this one will be this woman husband so. Now the concentrate on. And this woman husband don't talk many things about this woman. We be say, when the woman take confirm and say, it's not clear. What did she do? They say so, that's so it be. So more listen to more people that is still sending requests.
Hello, Don Prince. I greet you. Thank you for bringing me up. Oh, me mata no go can say. Or the 30 minutes in any case what you were saying.
Yeah.
Even if you send a DM, me and you get our own private talk.
Speak English now.
Me and you get our own private talk based on the DM when I sent to you.
No shaking.
Yeah. You see this matter when they talk about things. Me, I be done like me as I first they talk, I know they support violence, you know. So the audio record when you play, even the man use the man talk, say the woman or that the girl send him £1,000. Say make it buy second hand motor. So the man don't already judge himself. You understand? Because somebody when send £1,000 to you for Africa, that person not they play, and the person not plug the money from tree. Okay. But if you listen to how the matter they talk, the man feels so entitled to any benefit or any success when the woman they get for abroad or when the woman get for abroad. The man feels so entitled, like whatever the woman they get, the woman supposed to share and equal within the family, which is not supposed to be so. And what it make me before you play that record, what it be my thoughts before? Now, make the girl, whether the girl offend the family, make sure you apologize, because me not the support say person they fight you go they fight and back. No, this one a family issue. I'm where Benin say I'm where Ben something like that. So nobody's above family, you know. So now what I be one first stop, but when I can't listen to the record when you play, say man, even the man use the man talk and say, now so it's send down £1,000, make it buy second hand motor. £1,000, not be small money now. You get my point, so and the way the man they talk, it be like the man just the man be like all those kind of family members when be say then they get hatred for anybody when they say they successful past them small at all. You understand me? So see the way the man they insult, even me not I don't feel insult on that person picking on talk of I want to talk of somebody when be say they related to me. Another person for outside, even if the person offend me to some extent, I don't feel wish that person bad or the SSA man. I go to wish the person dead. Not to talk of my family member, my blood. Especially every young members of my family. I want to be they successful more than me. The way this man they talk, this man I head that brother or other person to this particular person. This person get mad they insult young person like that. Person will be say get more future. So to me, it don't make sense at all, you know. So what I see there, this last caller when talk just now, when she did talk, I support what she talk. Make the woman do some prayer. If she know say, before I forget, this same woman, so when she said that they worry her, because me, I not fair believe in those things anyway, but from the video, from the record when you play, I really did shocked to hear that word, to hear those words from that uncle or senior brother. The things they shock me for body. It just be like somebody they wish in younger brother, younger sister, or younger ones evil.
And younger sister now.
No, that is unfair. So what thing I be first what thing I want to talk, or my other thought be say, make the woman find how she will take reconcile with her family. But this man so he not ready for that kind of thing. So what did the woman go do? Make she do prayers as this last caller talk just
And
now.
the woman now, she's the only girl in the family.
Okay, only girl in the family.
The rest are boys. So now she be the only girl.
No matter what, she still deserves some prayers from her family. She still deserves the best from her family. Not be say maybe for one family, especially elder brother, to the insult her own younger sister or his own younger sister, which is very bad. You understand me? So, waiting I sit there as I first they talk. May this woman do those prayers when the last caller talk, tell her, or when the last caller talk about. You get my point, so. So now what?
The woman want go arrest the senior brother. Say want go arrest him.
No,
No.
you know what to arrest. Even this kind of matter, so not be waiting to the judge for station or whatsoever. They're not the judge for station. You get my point, so. So what does she need to do? Lest I forget. Now this is what I want to talk since. Is it concerned this caller just now if I throw some words into that area. Before this woman travel abroad, if she knows say now this elder brother so say he get one vital contribution when he puts or when he contributes make this woman take travel. Anyhow, make she find way to reconcile with the elder brother because he money day. Because now he sweat now they talk about now. But now still stupid elder brother go still wish a younger person evil because maybe he or she spend money on their younger one, then they'll begin to lay costs on their younger person, which is very bad. So, but if maybe anything at all, say maybe the man spend money when she take travel, anything what she will fit do, but the man they very they greedy and ungrateful person. Person send you £1,000. See what the man they talk for social media. Say now so he send them £1,000 after 20 years. Make it buy second-hand motor. That area really shocked me. But if the man contribute money when she take travel, make she find how she take settle the man. If the man
not contribute anything for her when she did travel, not contribute.
Okay,
money.
if the man not contribute anything, make
sponsor
the woman do those prayer. This will not be.
The woman pay sponsor her. The way that
Okay.
the way they pay sponsor her.
Okay, fine. This matter, so this will not be police station matter. May she believe in herself. Because when I know I know they believe all those things. Say maybe one person will fit do waiting go worry another person. May she believe in herself. Do whatever prayer she will fit do. May she just look up to God for whatever she do.
The woman don't pray. The woman don't pray for 21 years.
21 years.
Now she don't take pray. Now me not they get problem for family.
On the hand, lest I forget this word again. When I knew you entered this your life, I felt years say somebody they talk about and someone wish they worry and they not they see money again. This one, that one. Another thing was they cause this kind of problem for some people for abroad. Somebody they talk nonsense for there, but if they talk for live video like this, you don't need to look comment section. They are
Now they talk. Now maybe you leave comment section. They talk.
So this abroad when we dey, some people go there countryside when be say things not the function for there. How you go there abroad where things for the function? You go say now some money you know they see money again. Money not they enter your hand again. Which kind of talk with them for abroad again?
You know those say enemy they distort some people for abroad.
Nah, those kind it just be like some people when they were there Africa that year they'll go buy second-hand motor when be say don't use tire.
Say some family member they disturb people for abroad.
Wait my brother. It just be like
Wait first, get one woman wait first. Make this lady talk. Sexy grandma, may not bless you.
Sir, good morning. Good
bros,
morning.
I did work. I want to start work. I may quick round off.
Okay, Quirado, maybe we'll let this sexy mama talk. But not bless
Uh-huh. You see, when you dey countryside, when you be say, man, things they function well. You know, say they break you, they go work. At the end of the month, you get your money. I don't see where somebody like that go say, now, so you know they see money again, this one, that one. If you know they see money again, you check your environment. You get my point, so now waiting I get to talk because some people just feel relaxed for some countryside when be say things not they work for them.
Wait first. You don't know say some family they disturb people for some people, some family for abroad.
Some
I can't oversee anything. My brother, you know,
a lot of people they talk about, I don't believe in that.
Grandma, talk to us.
Okay, bro, me I want to work now. Some of that time, eh?
Okay, Baba, one law.
Okay, one law.
Listen to us.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. That man, look, this man will just drop. I never see something. Make you pray, say make you no jam bad family. Sir, what me I be want ask that woman. Because since now she be the only woman where they get, the brother say now they send and I listen to the cost where the man they cost. Wait till they verse that man. Now the true word. Now because the woman no help her carry pikin come this abroad. Now the verse where the man might be that. If they ask that man now what the man go talk? Make his sister no need to carry her with police or arrest the man with police. I don't advise the woman like that. I know say Europe, you know easy for anybody. You feel surprised now the woman now you know even get food to eat. You know if you would get anything to do for herself. You say na the woman be. You understand? So nobody will come Europe say he go corporate make him for life. Since the brother say now he carry him, make it for help the family. Now I don't come here and I know help the family. But you know the situation where the woman dey for here. Whether the woman dey okay the woman no dey okay the man no go know. You understand? Some pictures now where the woman go to carry now they don't know that the picture they deceive many people. My dear brother, let me beg the woman because me not be I know if you talk my own me I get my own. If you more women, if you more women, and I put her for her. I no see water, but I see they are alive so I say they exist. You understand? So,
your family. Wait, your family still do you?
My own even not be even from my own and papa pikin and mama pikin. Blood, the same blood.
I don't understand. Your mother picking, your father picking.
And Oviji.
Yeah.
So now the same mama papa, so now papa picking. You understand? So, but I see they are alive till today.
Your money they chop, like your money they chop.
No, maybe you forget because now social media would day so. And now that woman I just pray for. You no need to carry police with the man. Now the only thing where the man the verse for say the woman no come help and carry one of your picking. If you ask that woman, I go tell you now the wala be that. I'm just telling you the truth. Now from my own experience, I tell you so. Maybe the woman go. I don't say make it beg or no beg, but for me, I want make it just tell her so. We want settle. What you want make I do for you? If the woman go down now, see the man now, go see me say now what I tell you. Now the man the verse. So one, his sister know the same money can give her as he want her, and two, his sister no help and take care of his pikin. Just I say invest in your when you invest here, you know this that one the verse the man. The man if he go far for that his sister because he not get good mind for that his sister. His sister go make him today for Europe with that brother hand. You know go make him because the verse nation he don't two verse for that his sister. And not where sister go do we go program. Unless he say no God. May hold God way. You understand? So but people I know say people say go bring alligator, go do something. Nothing like settle with that your brother. No waiting there in mind. If you feel settle with him, if you don't raise yourself high, I beg, I just a beg for my own view. Make it try, make it beg that he brother. Settle with her, everything go good for the woman. Now just
that brother they want make the woman buy.
Now that's what I'm telling you. I'm telling you the truth. Make the woman not feel so big. I'm just telling you the truth. If the woman feel come, I will tell her many things. Even my own, I will tell her many things. May you no verse for anybody.
So your own tell no some story. You the talk some of your own. How many person talk yours to person will carry stroke?
Don't please. That Mark Bona, is this word is big, is small. You understand only good time okay. No even your two any. Oh, you may make your body, man. We might me vefi mure. Of your very men over your very nice the same thing. You understand? So yes, I go very much. You understand Italian? You watching we am men of baligbe.
I will am no baligbe your sister.
Of very men of waru well metamugena.
You carry that as the now you help her come. You don't help
Mafia
her.
you go, no matter bojo. Mafia you go. You wanna why no babe again. No, you support on we go school. No, do that go school man.
When I was over here, where
Just so no matter bojo. In how no okay where we help my I was aloba to they will do kun happy. Where is your money?
Okay, now he's saying no will help anybody.
No. Do you understand? We are not talking about when no go.
What did make it affect you?
He said because I say make it help somebody for school fees, because the school fees are here now 15. I share with my children. He said no fit. Fit be that girl because his mama treat her bad because he stay with his mama for Nigeria. Me, I don't know when my papa died. When mama died, they born her for my papa. Okay, he don't grow rich now. I need to carry him. Okay, as he come, don't they work, they pay anything, they pay us. I say, okay, this one now we supposed to bring you. Support him. You with my children need to pay a school fees. The full school fees now 15,000. You go bring 5. The other my children go bring 5. I to pay the school fees for the get to
50,000 euro or 50,000 naira.
Now euro, pounds, because now pounds they pay for euro. Sorry, they pay for
15,000 pounds.
For school fees. Where they pay school fees?
Wait. 15,000 pounds.
Yes, for school fees. If person wants to study for school.
For how many months?
For a year, now they pay for a year. For a year for school fees.
For a year.
For international student, yes.
Okay, you can say me that your brother pay 5,000.
Make my children pay 10 because there be 3. I got 2 children. Make my children pay 5. Make they pay on 5. Make they take help the other girl.
Make your children pay 5.
Yes, there be 3. Me, I got 2 children. I share on 5 for them. Make they take the other
children don't get papa again.
Who?
Those your children, they don't get papa.
They get papa. Not my children, they won't help. Now person, now my sister picky, they won't help. Not my picky. My children, all of them, they here. I not get children for Nigeria.
I don't understand. Make me understand where. This your sister with the wife. This your sister with the wife. He in Nigeria.
They Nigeria. Now students, he won't come school for year. He won't come school for year.
Okay, that your sister. That student won't come school for UK.
Yes. He won't come
because of the school and everything. That be 15,000 pounds.
Yes.
So if na fit provide that 15,000 pounds, the girl will fit come UK, come school.
Come go school. Now they pay for school fees.
Okay.
You pay all of them. You pay 7,000 first, both school fees, pay insurance and everything, both transport and passport and transport and everything. And you understand? So now be 50,000 for a year for international students.
God bless you, JB. Thank you.
For international students, you understand? So now be the thing. Now cost katakata. You don't talk. You go meet Ogba say even lawyer. Now so sister say this, sister say that one. Glory be to God. Say thank God. Not be say I say money. If you vision yourself, all of the day tally. I know no one. But I say they leave. That's the only thing I say. Hey, me I tell my dear brother, come and marry online now. They surprise no. Hey, me I gbonu je man now. I say not time only. No just ya.
That your brother come tell you say no will pay the money.
You don't come out. No, that girl, that small girl, not be brother.
No, that your brother will say me pay 5,000. Not come pay.
No. You don't be saying I make it pay. I make it take help person. I not say pay.
No. I say not come pay. So now the girl not come. Not come help the girl again.
No. Even that one don't come out from my house too. You don't come out. You don't do what I can't come out. You understand? So
who come out for your house? So
you don't. My junior sister way come. So you don't come out from my house too.
The one when I still help her come.
No, this one we not come help the girl now because we not fit pay now. We not fit pay the school fees. The school fees don't late now. Maybe next year by God's grace the girl.
Okay, the one when I fair help come where they stay with you.
Don't come. He said no fit now. He come out. As he don't report himself for everywhere or time about it.
Wait, he can't go back to Nigeria.
No, he there here. But
you know they stay your side again.
No.
God bless you now you can be bad person to them now.
Abio. You understand? So don't be one every boy every time before every
the story where I carry come. So this woman now we don't help the family. Now she's not the bad person in the family.
Now they talk so Kobera Kobije be bad. Kobera Kobije.
Yes, this woman, this lady wey get this story wey they talk because so this woman have helped his family. Today, she is not the bad person inside the family. Like the story where they talk now, say, you just help your family.
I met her now. I'm panic now. Yeah, I said, every time my dear
Scooby, God bless you, Scooby. Don't say you put glass on her.
Oga
Follow Scooby. God bless you, Scooby.
make it go beg am. I'm just telling the truth.
Thank
Make
you,
it go
Scooby.
beg am. May it go beg am. You don't mean anything. Not take anything come up for your body.
More glass, more glass.
You understand? Oma dey rock panyo egbere. We no time I will. Our sanitation is not love.
Say me go beg.
What do you mean for what quality ejima kini
Okay, I want to ask you one question.
Okay.
All those your brother now, if they say me you go beg there, you will go beg there.
I swear, yes, I don't forgive all of them. Last year, I forgive everybody.
But since you take forgive them, you don't call them, you tell them say you don't forgive them.
Of course, I don't forgive everybody. Even my I told me before. Before we know the talk. But last year, as I give my life to Christ, I submit to everything. All of now me even call all of the surprise in a spirit I be when I call.
How long now?
Since 1 year now we settle. But for the past how many years we know they talk. None of us. If you
It's 1 year when I don't settle, I don't see each other.
Yes, and they called them. Even the day when I called them, nobody believed. They say na spirit. My sister say na spirit. Na I call. They call each other. Say you sure say na life. Say na true. Say she no die. If I die, you machine no go tell and say I die. Now what my sister talk? They call me back to know whether na me pick or whether na fake I be. That's everything go do okay for them. May you go back them. You don't mean anything, my dear, but I'm telling the truth. We not even here. We not or anymore. May you go tell the man. The man go tell him what the vessel. You understand? So, or settle with Janet. The man go tell him, okay, my sister, see what they verse me. You understand? So, now so it be. I not say it hard though. Before my if not say I give my, I don't know God well. The man shall go sunu. I they tell the truth. Sunu. Because the pay was too much on me. It was too much on me. I have to tell you the truth. But to God be the glory.
But not be now. So guess your family where you still when you go still try to settle with them. They'll still they find your buying.
My dear, or I settle with telling me that by it I'm not sure why they tell you so. Oh, I mean, by you soon die. I mean, by you soon. Me and you remember, I go backfire them. I'm not sure why I tell you. I'm not sure why I tell you so. Anything where they do, you go backfire them.
So, when I wear the word, so when I say request, when I constantly talk about what this woman they talk, so whether it's right, please, when I say request, so that we want to hear more conversation. You understand? This woman will get this matter. She need more experience about so many things. And what would they talk? So I believe say they help so many people. There are so many people in distress now watching, but they're not. The shame not let them talk. The more you keep all these things, the more you get problem with it. You see this one, you talk, you come out. Now your man will still free from today again. So anybody that talk a story, your man will be free.
My
So
dear,
if
I
you
don't
are
settle with
watching,
you. Only
you are
mommy when no
common.
was here by can hear anything. Me grab it to be. Understand? As this is that talk, say settle and run from them. You don't run from them. It doesn't mean so now they if for say place so. Now first or say, or what you meant for a quarry edgy. Sanitation is not love. Good morning, you to ya. With God. Not be say maybe before my I tell you now say me before past 5 years, even my own father before I just settled with my pa. You never reach 2-3 months. Now my pa died. My pa joined them, and they pursue me with them.
For this
but
matter
I don't
before,
talk.
for this matter, your father be joined there before.
Oh, I tell you, Don Priest, it's time away. I tell you, and I try why I tell you so. Hey, but today we call. God say bless me. That is it. I just a low no. I understand. May you go beg, my dear sister. May you beg. Now me they tell you the truth. So if you beg.
May you go beg
Your
the family.
uncle was versing, you know, say more.
Wait, Sister Beauty, are you here with us?
Yeah, don't pray so.
Wait, Sister Beauty, before you talk.
Just now, wait till I talk. I say make it go.
Wait first, Sister Beauty. You dey hear wetin this sister dey talk so. Say make go beg the brother.
Yeah, I fit tell you don't pray so. I say make it go beg.
Okay, you see,
Now wait till I fit tell. I say if he don't beg, he go apologize, beg his brother. Then
Not true
anything
word.
wey his brother do against her, if he pray, the prayer go backfire because
of course
he don't
now,
beg.
of course now.
Abi you no lis ten to me, don't pray. So
No,
I
so say the woman never talk her own story. Whether the woman don't fair beg good, I don't know. But the woman,
you go invite the woman.
No,
come.
no,
Or
I'll bring the
go
woman
fit
come.
talk
Make the woman
because
come talk her own story.
person no fit run for his family. Your family na your family. I fit talk. I say if outside that they pursue you, you go fit succeed. But if home they pursue you, where you wan run go? It took the grace of God to survive. So he go apologize.
That is it.
He go beg his brother. So no matter wetin happen, if he don't beg am, anything wey he take wrong his brother, if he come pray, God go come accept everything.
Of course, he go open way for am.
I
But
fit
you
tell
go
you
get
the please. It
peace.
be like say
You
you
get
no
peace.
listen to my conversation. Now
I
the
listen.
first
I
thing when I
listen.
fit talk be that one. He need to apologize for his brother. We don't know wetin happen. We never see here
Of course
concerning the
now.
brother because before his brother come call and say oh Daniel.
Oh, Daniel,
You
you
know
want your
understand?
favorite born or Daniel? Nah, negbe.
Nobody know wetin happen. So he never vun iya me la o. We
Kakabo.
understand. So he need to apologize, beg his brother. Anything wey happen, make them forgive am. Then if he don't beg, any person wey come use that thing against am,
You go
he
back
go
for the
come backfire
person.
to the
Go back
person.
to them.
So
We
no
can't
worry.
he no
You
beg
get
them. We
more.
can't the
There will be
woman
more.
not
My
beg them.
sister, God will bless you now. There will be more evidence of this story. I believe the woman get more evidence to come tell the world. I believe say many things dey the way the woman want talk. The whole world will hear the woman by the time when I bring her come. If you never follow me, try follow me so that the day I will bring the woman come, you go watch her live. Make the woman come still talk you side of
Your
the story.
time.
Okay. Don't preach la wo go. The no mo di woman re gumi aro do gumi give me
No, now
notification.
tomorrow I will bring the woman come out tomorrow. No worry, tomorrow
My
she'll come.
understand make na the woman dey ma
When
gbegbe
no
go
ya
and we
in a
sit back to
family,
back.
no ya in a beg
I
boy.
will
No
bring the
It's
in a.
woman tomorrow.
better, it's
Make
the
the woman
best.
talk.
Okay,
Tomorrow,
don't please
yes.
why say moment so talk why say
Okay,
akwe
well
now.
see, my sister. God
Why
bless
say?
you for
All
your
right, and you too.
contribution. Well see. So that's so we see her. Make I bring more people up so we can hear from
Don't
people.
bring me down, me carry person up.
Okay, thank you. You don't boss me.
I will boss you now. I dey listen to that woman conversation.
Okay, try me you boss me. Don't
I want
forget.
boss you now. I no forget.
Okay, hello. Nikki.
Hello, Madam Molatose.
Nikki, Koyo, we are not hearing you, Nikki. Who are we better?
Odoni Yaje,
Yeah, who better we ja?
Damosa.
If we see wallo. Brother, wherever.
Me brother, me akin me adema o salobo ame gbare ma.
Anyway, Moses said, now, when my brother, when my ade, me here.
E gba la ni akin dadi.
Avion, where, Agiri avion, where, what baby avion, where?
E pa na tenare na nwe no ni ma demu me.
Where me feeling?
O me za dem no wa rokpa apart from me money bia.
If we when you say, Agwan Ladian, they talk, come and near the year. You know, they get feeling for my again.
E pa me za dere ni e ukmono jo ma jeze aka ho. Ma understand. Are ni o ma bia na dem no.
Okay,
Mami
man, don't break.
ame ne
You say?
where?
Man, don't break your heart away.
Okay.
Man, don't break your heart.
Kpia ni mewa ebo wa ime bia na ni me yala we bo ebo mewa lele so kpia ma break my heart. Mo wa decide where I wa need a free life o ma understand.
Yeah.
Ya jinwe na ila wa ya la wa yen ge mo pa be ime no me gwa le disturbance.
But
So
as you
that
come
is
there now, man, not deal with you. You come there enjoy yourself.
ijo we ma have a TV gwan.
A TV, that TV, you dey enjoy yourself.
Ma agbona no ma je na Agi wa le gbo ma gbe.
We are here, TV, we are here.
Demi na re ye pa.
If you want come,
Come as voting, you ma understand.
you don't want to come.
Oh, meza da dweni because okone demek me mave ni awon ye. Na wate na re na umami ave ne mama ni ga ataba. Oragmo hiagbe uma understand. Just that where a sensi e agi low agbona. Everything okoni wata by matter.
Zebo here so that my mama never do liligbe.
Okay. All those things where our mama thought just now, not true. Because that thing don't happen to me years ago. You understand? My mother have only 2 children. I'm the first daughter. And I have a junior brother. So these things, it happened to me. So I keep malice for 8 years. But things was not going well with me.
Wait, you keep malice for your family for 8 years.
Yes, my mother and my brother.
Thank you, Scobie. Thank you. Mona follow Scobie for me.
For
I'm a
good
good
8
gift.
years. You understand?
Yeah.
Imagine, person did this Europe here. Cold go come, you go there inside. Sun go come, you go there inside. At the end, you go send them money, make them take do something. They not go do it. They go take you as their maga. Brother, that kind thing is good.
You not good. You not good. You not good.
Okay. Now home na it dey frustrate person here. Person wey you no know, e no fit frustrate you. Upon all the money wey dem don scatter your money finish, if you talk to them, they go pick am as an offense. But after 8 years, so na me carry phone call my brother say, you see this problem wey we dey make, e no dey carry us dey go anywhere. So make we drop the matter, make peace reign. You understand? I no even wait make the third person come enter. Na me decide for myself. So I settle with them. E no mean say my life dey their hand. I just do am. Make peace reign for their hand. Make them no say, na dem chop me o. Na me wey dem chop. Na me still come beg them. You understand? E no me. I'm not a baby. So since I do that things, I dey do my own. Occasionally, I go carry phone. I go call them. How na dey okay? Yes. Okay, I just wan hear from una. But e no dey like before. You dey feel me so? E no dey like before. So me, I no dey call them say, I get problem o, I no eat o. See wetin dey do me. That one I no for the answer. You understand? So nothing go fit come, anything wey they do, e no fit come meet me. That thing wey that woman talk say, all im family they come join her. Na true. When we dey meet with my brother, they make this
Power
case.
tap, guys. Power tap. What a power tap.
When we dey make this case, my mother join im pikin. You understand? They come dey fight only me one.
Your mother joined the rest children. They fight you.
You join my brother, so he come dey fight me. So anything when that I say, you get money now, buy brother for that Europe where you dey now. Come kid this one now. He begin to give me some kind words when I no need. So I have to drop the matter. But since when I drop the matter, I'm okay.
But your mother still there alive?
100% too. I get papa, I get mama.
Your dad join you, or your dad join your brothers?
No, my dad did not join. No, he not my. Not only my dad be the person when I say, he tell me say, you not see these people. He talking, he they talking for his mind, because anything where they do, that they had they do. You understand? My mother can say, you don't know the time when my brother they chop the money, do this one, do this one. If he ask her where you go, he say he they go where he they build house, blah 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 blah. I tell him say no problem. Make we day like this. You understand? So this is the thing when everybody, if you talk of Euro people, 65% they face this problem. Now everybody don't wise. If it doesn't say they don't see where they hold you, then go they use your picking for you. Then go use person when it they closer to get your attention. So that kind of thing when some of our people they do, it's not good. You understand? Like me now, I go night work. I still dey inside bed now. Around 5 just now or 6, I don't come out. Upon all the suffer, person go work in money finish. Una go just then go just do like say, I know they understand. You understand me? That money, if person gather and take buy house for here, is better. Not a go or you go by yourself. If you read the desperately say you must have a house in Nigeria. You just go by yourself, you buy land, you build down.
But you they go Nigeria?
I don't go once.
How long you don't go Nigeria now?
You don't tell because I don't even need that self.
You don't even want to go to Nigeria?
No. If I even get me, still bring my children for here, now bye. And my father still there alive. Now waiting.
If you don't say bye, you don't get feeling for your father and your mother again?
I get for my father, for my mother is no.
You don't get feeling for your mother again?
No, but now my mother, but I still they give her something where my hand reach every month. But it gets some kind of where somebody go do you. You go even they ask, you know, you not even believe whether this one na my mother, because I grown up with my grandmother.
But your mother knows say you don't get feeling for her again?
I don't know, but I dey call am now. I dey call am, greet am. If I not get money, I go give her money. Not be waiting that they find be that. They care about you. Not be the econ when you they give the night they love. Brother, now what for you? You know what they happen. If you they give them money, now that they ask of you. If that money not there, they not consign them.
Now see what they happen for abroad. Family members for Nigeria. This is a lady in Europe now. He said he don't have feeling for his mother because his mother have once betrayed her so many times. Now he said that his father now he get feeling for because his father know what she dey pass through, and his father not support nonsense. Abi?
Na so now. Na so. So why
So
I go
now,
there? Why I
how
go
many
there?
children you get for Nigeria now?
Me, I got two. One boy, one girl.
You say
I got two children, one boy, one girl.
for Nigeria?
Yeah.
What of Europe you dey here?
3, 3,
Me, I not got two.
7, 4, 5, 9, 5, 2, 9, 8, 0.
You say
Incoming call. Incoming
I
call.
not get for here. I not get for here.
Incoming call. Incoming.
okay for Europe you dey, you not get children for Europe.
No, 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 no.
And you never want get children for here.
No, no.
But those one wey dey Nigeria, their father dey Nigeria.
Now only the man when I know since I grew. Now he marry me, now he my born for, but it's late now.
Yeah. But where your children? That your house, your children there, or the husband, your husband house.
They're my house.
Yeah. So God will make you carry their con. But if you still carry their con, no matter how, you will see the visit home, no matter what.
Brother, that one, now God know that one, but for me, I don't know. It got some certain things where you go, they pass for life. You not go believe them. Me, I they tell you. You understand? Emmanuel, why me and I wear? Obiera knocking or change when knocking. Now they frustrate person. If you don't want to senior my mother's daughter, he come Europe here. He don't stay for, according to her, Vicenza camp. For 2 years, 3 years, they not give her a document. So I can't tell her, he can't call me one day, say in the Europe. I say, you dey Europe, before you reach Europe, you tell me. He say, not be like that. He say, I beg, for 2 years to 3 years now, he dey camp, they not give her paper. I tell her, say, okay, may you come down. Me, I get my own personal lawyer. Being that me and a white man, I dey follow. So make I carry my credential, make we take look at whether you go fit get document. As he come here, I give him a paper finish, he knock my house. He begin the invest, use my house, they do whatsoever, where they know how to do. All these people when follow Libya come. You understand? If you tell her, say, why they do this to me and they follow white man, he go say, no, the white man not go no. Play. Now, you know, even reach 6 months when he enter my house, my white man, he leaves me. That's when me and he there for more than 11 years. He leave me finish, he waka. The house, he knock her, he waka. So tomorrow, if you see anybody, you go say you want help her, now your sister picking, now your brother, to hell with them.
I don't
My
understand.
brother.
Wait, your person where you carry enter, as you carry your white man come out.
Not be me carry her come. I know they bring person. Now he just come by himself.
Yeah.
According to her, he said he stayed 2 years for Libya before he enter house. But he stay for camp for 2 years. They not give him anything. Any story when he make, nothing come out for it. So mama senior my mother, the same papa, the same mama.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I can't tell her, so okay, as he did like this, make it come down to my place.
Make God stay with you for your side.
Yes, so that I can have time to take help am for the document. Yeah. I get my own personal lawyer. He can't say, okay, he can't come down. So I can't carry and go meet the lawyer. That time me at the work. They go the work every weekend at the courthouse. So we do everything. And God hear his prayer. They give him a document. He can't invite one man from Sicily, where they call Palermo. He invite and call house.
Which man? Black man? Or a boy be black man?
No, na black man. All these people where they follow Libya, they fuck white man. Na black man that they fuck.
People when they come for Libya, they know they fuck Igbo. Na black man that they fuck.
No, some of them they like na black man they like paso. They're not the mingle with white people at all.
So, okay, now he can invite the boyfriend from Palermo come.
Sicily. So as he call, I call tell her say who be this? And if I tell her the man say my brother beg no vex. So you see this house Now white man na he rent am for me. Now he dey pay the house rent. So me I no need black man for inside here. So if you not greet, you go greet, you comot. Now lie you, my sister say make you stay. If I go work finish, me at the work, and not because of somebody come there house, because me I still get
Your sister can say the black man must stay the house.
yeah nah, I can't
Well, that your sister no dey pay house rent for the house.
in that I never start to dey pay. Because I just leave am because he gets 6 children. His husband can't die.
That your sister get 6 children for Nigeria.
Yes. When the husband can't die now, maybe now he make am come here. So I no want collect money, make he gather money, go give his children. You understand? So all these things, he do I knock my house finish, he waka, he go carry your house. So now so this life be. You understand me?
That means she can't knock your ass.
Now.
How she take knock your ass?
Me, I travel now. I travel. Me, I be person where they travel, go they work. I
And
travel.
you leave your Igbo man for us.
Me, I know Igbo. You yourself, you know, say this. If you come Europe now, also me with Igbo not they live for house. Or Igbo get your house. Me, I get my own. But now they pay for the house. You understand? If you dey follow white man for this country, you come for a purpose. You understand? You go tell her your predicament. How you want to live your life. Me, I not fit stay with Oyibo for the same house. I tell her, say me, I get 5 children. Now what I tell her? So I get responsibility. If you are ready to help me or you marry me, we stay together. If we not dey marry, you go dey waka dey come.
Because I saw you tell the Igbo man.
Every Oyibo when I dey follow now, what I dey tell them. Me, I not call here concert.
Every Igbo man where they follow, I saw they tell them.
Yes, so because na something carry me come. Not be say
So-
come the friend Oyibo
So-
free.
So now you can't travel, leave that your sister for us.
They travel, go the work. I go work for another country. I go come back. So before I come now, when I come back, now my landlady come they tell me say, my sister don't come out too. Even the own 4 months he not pay, and so you have to put another person for the house because at that house you take the chop. Now I tell am say why you not call my line? He said that one not even come to him mind make him call me. He said he dey sorry. And the woman give me accommodation before I find another house. Because that woman just dey like my mother. You
Your
understand?
sister, before he knock the house, he not call you.
He not call me, he not tell me. You understand? Even till now, since when he come out, me with her never see. And me with her can never see again till I die. Now the law be that. No, my brother, not true.
12 I don't see again till you die.
No, nothing go make 2 of us see. Nothing.
Now see
Now
what people
person
dey do
when he
people.
know you for this life,
Tell
now
that
they
story
kill you.
with you.
You understand?
Today, that's a different story where they come media. Different story.
Everybody get you. He get you. Who not talk? If you still hear some people, oh, you go say, hey, yeah, but your own is still good for ear. If you see wetin some family they do person, wetin you want use them do? You know better you make friend with Senegal, you make friend with Burkina Faso, to make friend with your family then kill you alive. You know better. I beg go.
Yeah, not be small story. Oh.
That is where that woman they talk.
So
na
the boy where he carry call, he don't born for the boy.
Me, I don't know for them. I don't want know. Me, I know they hear from them. Anything concern now, me, I don't want know.
But you call his father, you call his parent, his family, you not call his father, his mother. May you explain to the sister what she do.
Me, I not get person. Hey, mama, I tell you, say, na mama senior my mother. When the mama die, me, I not
His mother still there alive, you not call her.
No, him mama don't die you. But me, I not call her say sorry. I hear say your mama die.
See,
Me,
you get mama die, you not call her, say that sorry.
No, I only call my mother and the senior brother. Just tell them say sorry. But for our own side, no. Brother, now so my life be oh. If me and you they play, you can't dey use me like say I be mumu. If I don't come out, leave you finish. I know they look your side though. Any road when I know say me and you go jam, I not go pass there. Now so my life be.
So this woman now will bring this matter come media now about the family now. Which advice you get for her?
Make it go beg go. And not be waiting I dey tell you. Make it beg them, make peace reign. Not be say make peace reign for a brother. Make it get peace of mind. Make it dey sleep well. Make it beg there. Make it not do say he not go beg say he dey. No. Make it beg there. Because he dey Europe. He dey here. Person when he come on in the house since morning. Now they know where better native daughter dey for Nigeria. They know how them go take do and you when he dey here now let on it down tell God say see me oh you don't know how they break oh you don't know how you take the sleep. Now let that one you know. So make it back then I be the real answer. Now what I dey tell you, what did that mama talk? Not true. Not
So,
true.
Mama, not vessel. If that your sister that come beg you, you forgive her.
No, me, I not get heart of forgiveness, so I not get.
What of this? Is brother we want go beg, not go get out of forgiveness, okay?
And so far, God no say he don't beg now. Whether he get, he not get, he consign now. Now the chop person, now they see they put person, now they see they put person for problem. You understand? Now their way be that.
So if this your sister come beg you now, you not get out of forgiveness.
Not travel tap. I not get.
You not go forgive her.
No. I not get heart for forgiveness.
That means if life got them miserable for her, okay?
You consign now. Now not be waiting person reap for life. Now in the face. Now wetin person, now wetin you do to person, na God dey wetin you wish another man pikin, na God dey wish you too. Now you no see this life, my brother. If your heart clean, your heart dey clean, you not get blood for your hand. You know the for night, you know they send the evil make it go the shuku another man pikin. No matter how the suffer where you go suffer, one day you go blow. You know the kind blow where you go blow. When you go blow finish, when you go come out, people go say, now this brother be this. How come he can't be rich person like this? They not go know. Because now your good heart and your hand when it clean, now he give you that glow. You know they understand. It is a person they glow with ordinary body. Now God now they glow you. And those who are where they say small boys they carry BB car for Nigeria. So you know it is that one alive. Time go call the young shall tell. You understand? But you when you suffer for your money, you go sit down for top of any house where God give you say now you go sit down on top. You go from there they look up. You go say what did they happen for there? Now here you go take the year. But that your better life, you go deliver for death. Now water you drink, it go enter your body. You don't know.
Mama, they hear you.